There are literally hundreds of types of cranes, rigging, and equipment in the construction industry, but there are some basic common safety rules that apply to all types of equipment. That's what this program is all about. Basic safety guidelines that apply to cranes and equipment, so you'll be more aware of safety and reduce the potential of an unplanned event, such as a property damage or injury. One of the more important rules is to never operate any type of equipment until you've been trained and authorized by your employer. Make sure you understand all the operating principles, rules, and information on the equipment you're using, and never use any crane that is defective or in unserviceable condition. Whenever there's any doubt about safety of the crane you're operating, stop the operation and notify your supervisor so the crane can be inspected and made safe by proper authorities. Naturally, before starting operations, inspect, test, and maintain the crane in accordance with the crane manufacturer's recommendations. Replace all parts and components showing excessive wear, damage, or other defects that could affect the safe operation of the equipment. Check all wire ropes and rigging components. Keep the machine clean and in good working order. Oil, grease, or mud on floor surfaces can cause serious falls, and dirt in working parts will cause excessive wear and possible failure. To protect yourself during the inspection process or during repairs or maintenance, lower the load to the ground. Check all protective guards and make sure all panels are in place before operating. It's important to check fuel, oil, radiator, and battery water levels. Hydraulics play a major role in crane safety, so double-check all hoses and connections for leaks, bulging, or other damage. Visually inspect all gear cases for leaks or damage. Make sure the gear case has the proper level before operating the equipment. Repair any damaged or unserviceable components. Inspect all controls to make sure they are properly working and work with ease. If a control is difficult to operate, check it out. Check the pressure in the tires and check to make sure the nuts are properly torqued on all wheels. Maintain proper inflation at all times, especially when you're working with outriggers. Inspect all the instruments on the instrument panel to make sure they're working properly. Check brake air pressure and the low air pressure warning devices. Inspect the foot brake condition, headlight, clearance.